I am a serial podcast addict. One of the podcasts I absolutely adore is called Work Life by Adam Grant. He's an organisational psychologist, and his tagline, I study how to make work not suck. How awesome is that? How can you not want to pay attention to what this guy has got to say? I study how to make work not suck. I think it's an absolutely brilliant way of grabbing people's attention. Now, networking scenarios are scenarios where we have to grab people's attention. And some of the brilliant taglines that I've heard people say over the years have been, I shoot people for a living. Turns out she was a photographer. I sell drugs. Actually, they were pharmaceuticals. So just by changing it up, by doing something slightly different, you've got my attention. Now, I've spoken about this before. It's basically breaking a pattern. It's doing something different, and the brain has to pay attention to that, has to work harder to solve the problem that you've caused, to work out what's going on. Now, that hard work means people remember you. So the next time you're going to a networking event, is there a way to think about what you do and making a kind of shortened sentence, a kind of fun idea that's really going to grab people's attention, which focuses on the afters that your product or service deliver, and deliver it with confidence and clarity and a sense of fun that is going to get you remembered? Because that's what networking events are all about, trying to get remembered for the right reasons. So have a think. What is it that you do that could be translated into a short sentence with a little bit of fun, a little bit of a sparkle that will get you remembered? Take care. We'll speak soon.